Alright, here we are in West Hills. Earlier today you saw the video what the floor looked like. There we go. And we basically already sanded, we're just fine-tuning the edges. You can see the floor now. A few of those stains are not going to come out, but this is going to be stained dark, so it's not really going to make any difference. But if you recall from the earlier video what the floor looked like, it's been brought down and we're going to be putting a nice darker tone to it. So all this right here will blend in, will not be noticeable. Just a few more small details and we will be finished for the day. Meaning when we come back tomorrow, all we have to do is apply a little bit of conditioner on the floor, wait a little bit, maybe 20 minutes, and then start applying stain and finish. Actually, if I'm right, we'll only be doing the stain tomorrow. Conditioner will already be done. Alright, that's it for today.